एहसास न्याय का सबके लिए, आकाश न्याय का सबके लिए, उल्लास न्याय का सबके लिए, विश्वास न्याय का सबके लिए। अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, इंसाफ के इस आशिया पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा भी तो।
उसका थोड़ा सा अवेयरनेस जरूर कीजिएगा। हम लोग यहाँ पर आपको बता दें, जैसे मर्डर होता है, रेप होता है, पॉक्सो का ऑर्डर आता है, तो हम लोग पैसा सब चीज में हम लोग दिया करते हैं। बिहार विक्टिम कंपनसेशन स्कीम है, उसके तहत हम लोग पैसा दिया करते हैं। तो हम लोग से मांगा करते हैं, वो लोग इंजुरी कंपनसेशन बोर्ड होता है, वहां से वो पैसा मांगते हैं, इसमें मर्डर हो गया है, इतना पैसा तो हम लोग दिया करते हैं। तो वो चीज है, मर्डर होता है, सब गलत है, नहीं होना चाहिए। पर एसिड वाला तो बहुत ज्यादा उसके साथ टॉर्चरस होता है। तो वो अवेयरनेस जरूर आप लोग जहां भी जाइएगा, ये अवेयरनेस जहां भी मौका मिले, बड़े बड़े पोस्ट पे आप लोग जाइएगा तो उस
अपने इस हिंदुस्तान पर हक हमारा भी तो है, इंसाफ के इस आशिया पर हक हमारा भी तो है, एक मुट्ठी आसमां पर हक हमारा।
Law schools, when we do mock trial competitions or moot court competitions, and the arguments where we present there, and the gist of what we saw in the court proceedings was an eye opener. Actually, it was much needed. Like this is not how it works, which is written in the books or the procedures, and that is not how that is an imaginary vision of how a law field is. But when we went on the ground, whether it was POCSO codes, special codes, we actually got the gist of what this legal field is about. Moreover, like the institutional visits was like, it couldn't have been possible if we would have interned in any of the law firms, because they would have been sitting on the desk doing all the Excel sheets work, which I have done. But the institutional visit was actually, since I am a student of criminal honors and where we studied victimology, so when I visited the jail, when there was a jail visit in Buer jail, or we went to child welfare committees and all that, so there what we saw and the schemes of the government of how it is implemented, so I witnessed there, and thanking you sir for providing us this scheme, and the way it has been implemented is marvelous. So thank you sir.
Thank you.
A practical that generally we had in science background, in science practical lab, but in legal field, it's your far side, it's your view that we should get it, so that in the future if we become a judge or become a lawyer or anything in legal field, we can do our work effectively. So thank you so much sir.
Allotted RR Dalsa. So first of all, thank you very much all the sirs and ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity, because generally I was just sitting in my college and thinking that this is law and we are just studying various things. But when we visited to, as I am from Patna and I am going to ARA, but it's quite challenging because for reaching ARA, as the court work of ARA started from 6:30 and reaching there, and we just reached there and all the court proceedings are going on. So when we generally go to ARA court, we see the real exposure of court proceedings, how the things are going there. We generally visited to Mandal Kara and observation homes, CNCP, CWC, tribunals and other mediation counseling, and the best part was the family course. We just studying in our semester we are studying about the Hindu law, so we are seeing all the matters regarding to it. So it was generally a very quite awesome experience for me. So and all the clerks and all the persons are very cooperative there, and it was the very very good opportunity, we generally get the exposure that what we have to do in the law field as well. We see the basic practicality of the law and the things at the very ground level. Sir, your decision of you have allotted DALSA to different students. You have allotted to different DALSA is very good decisions. It's very good, sir. Thank you very much.
एक